Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to change the door knob. This is the knob that we're gonna change it. So I just lose the screws. There's two screws here, two screws right there. But I lose. I don't wanna. I just take it out a little bit, not completely maybe. That I don't wanna waste your time. This is the one screw here. You just take it out. The other one here, I just lost it. Take it out and first take it out this part, and after that, as you see, there is another part here, right there, and just pull it. First, you need to push to this one and pull it. Then, as you see, there is another two screw here. Just I take it out, two screws from here, and pull it. That's just pull to side. If it doesn't come, I'll pull it more. Okay, as you see, this is the place that we're gonna put another one. As you see, this hole is small. The other, what I have the doorknob, and this is the one what I'm gonna put it. Look, this inside there's the circle that is so big, and I have to cut it. It's a little bit more that it can go inside. Otherwise, it's not gonna go the inside. So that reason I have to make this hole a little bit bigger. Other doorknob doesn't need it that, but this, in this case, now this needed to open a little bit more hole. So what we're gonna use, this is the antique, but it's still usable. But there's a new version of this that is so good. What I'm gonna do, cut it more from here. This is the saw here, as you see. There you go. Just put the drill on it and just cut it here. But there's as I said, there's a more modern one that you can use it. This is older version, antique. So I'm gonna use this. Yeah, you have to make a hole a little bigger. Okay, let me do it, and I'll come back. All right. So, as you know, this is the one that, yeah, just put it in. Just tight it. And go ahead and what we're gonna do here, let me adjust a little bit. Right there. What you do, just okay, just a little bit cutting. Then you just make it like that, cut it there, and that's it. Yeah, that's the way it is. Let me pause and do my job, and I'll be back. So I just did as you see, I just opened a little bit more hole that now the doorknob can go inside, right there. See it goes inside. It's not completely sitting on the door, but it's okay, you know, like this is the way it is. So okay, the other side also. This is the other side. Yeah, just put it together and screw it. Yeah, and all about this, and just put the, this is the one too, you can put it. Hold on. This is the one, as you see. You just put inside of this. Alright. Okay, just push it. Oh, right there. Right there. Right then, this goes here. Right there. Alright. And then there's a two screw, then behind them, put it back right there. Let it go down a little bit and bring the camera right here. Yeah, right there. You just put it and put the screw, two screw here, two screws here, and that's it. That's all about this. Yeah, that's wonderful. Two screw here, two screws right there. It's done. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.